Hello everyone, in this video I am sharing new makeup releases by HAUS Labs by Lady Gaga. HAUS Labs by Lady Gaga introducing Precision Sculpt Shaping Balm Contour Stick. A precision contour stick that defines and lifts, with a buttery texture that effortlessly blends, seamlessly shapes, and sets for 12 hours. Like good shapewear, this longwear balm sculpts undetectably and seamlessly, formulated with 5 skincare actives. It visibly enhances skin's elasticity and firmness post-application, designed for all skin types. It chisels with a natural matte finish in a range of sculptural shades with artistry undertones. Available in 9 shades, price is $30 each. Coming soon on their website and Sephora website. Currently pictures and swatches of this new product available at Sephora website. If you like today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon also for more beauty videos. Thank you for watching.